I welcome you again to our online lesson. Please, today we'll be learning how to find minor chords on a keyboard. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share the link with friends. Now let's get into it. Finding minor chords is a formula. It's 1 flat 3 5. In this case, the flat is not affecting the 1, but it's rather affecting the 3 or the third. So 1 flat 3 5, which is do, mo, so. For those of us who use the tonic solfa, it is do, mo, so. Those of us who use the number, it's 1 flat 3 5. Don't forget, flats are always behind, sharps are ahead, and then natural restores the note. Okay, very good. Flats are behind, sharps are ahead. So finding a minor chord, it says 1 flat 3 5. That means the flat is not affecting our 1, but rather affecting our 3. The flat is affecting our 3rd or our 3. So let's say for example we have C, because we have already learned how to find a major chord, which is 1 3 5. Okay, and the formula says for you to find a minor chord, it is 1 flat 3 5, and we have 1 3 5 here. So we are going to flat our 3rd over here. So this is our 3rd. So we are 1 3 5. So we are going to flat this 3rd back like this. So when you do this, that means you are playing a minor chord. So this becomes a C minor. Okay, this is what? C minor. Now this is another simple way you can find a minor chord. You just need to find your 1, then you count 3, the 3rd from the nearest key. The 3rd becomes your 3rd. So 1 2 3. So this is our 3rd. Then you count 4. The 4th becomes our 5th. So 1 2 3 4. Then we get our minor chord. So for major, it's the 4th one becomes our 3rd, and the 3rd 1 2 3 becomes our 5th. But for minor, the 3rd becomes our 3rd from the net. After getting your 1 2 3 becomes our 3rd, and you count 1 2 3 4 becomes our what? 5th. Very simple as that. So let's find F minor right now. This is F major. Okay, 1 3 5 in F major, and then we are finding a minor chord. So we are going to flat our what? 3rd. So this is F major. This is our 3rd. So we flat it. There we get it. So now you can do the calculation and see if it is correct. You can see 1 2 3. Then 1 2 3 4. Then we get our minor chord. So this is F minor. Alright, so we did the same thing in D. So let's take D minor again. So this is D major. This is D major. So we are going to flat the 3rd. Do we get that? Yes. This is D minor. Okay, because it's 1 flat 3 5. Isn't that simple? Yes, of course. Please subscribe to the channel and share the link with friends. God bless you.